MJX BUGS 20. Yeah, actually buy this one. I think they can save this, but totally out. Only can use only the casing. The main board it totally burst, cannot use. So I brought another one. This one only broken leg, but the motherboard no issue, only the camera. So this one, yeah, to do this I need 2 camera set. Yeah, 2 camera set. This one from this, then only can use the Wi-Fi ribbon, only can use from this one, and this one is from this one, and another set is I brought only the camera set, the other friend. So the Wi-Fi board take from this one, and the Wi-Fi ribbon take from this one, and the camera ribbon another friend get it. So need 3 to be 1. Yeah, I don't know this is good planning or not. So maybe this body casing can use, this one cannot already because already, yeah, you can see there. Yeah, totally cannot use this one. Even your glue cost is very bad. Yeah, but this one maybe casing is good enough. I think just now replace this new board. Take this from this board to this drone. Okay, stay tuned. So we see the next video lah. Okay guys, bye bye. Okay, this one is a good receiver, good motherboard. Yeah, so this one totally can use. Right. Okay, so this one will go away. Alright. So this one will put in here. Okay. See another episode. Yeah. Okay, successful install back on. So yeah. Maybe do a spare part or what. Okay, so we see this drone we fly again. I don't know. Okay, we try fly tomorrow. So see how this Bugs 20 will fly tomorrow.